We're going to try drawing a precise object together now. So we're going to work on this one in the 3D demo package here. So we have our old drawing here. What we're going to do is we're going to just start a new file. So we're just going to click on the new button here, and this menu pops up. Down the side here, we're going to click on metric. If you don't already have that, you might have to drop this down if that's hiding. Metric, and then we're going to go part standard millimeter. We're going to select. Okay, now again, you have parts down here, so if you have any other objects you're working on, you could toggle between them by clicking there. We're on our new part here. It's just defaulted to being called part 4. You can name it if you like, though. Okay, so when we draw this, there's a number of different ways you could take this one on. You could build it piece by piece as you go along, and kind of start from a top looking down and build it up. When I look at this one, just by looking at the shape, I would say the easiest way to take this one on would be to start on your right side view, and would be to draw this profile here. Would be a good way to get started in my opinion. So let's say we're going to go to start our 2D sketch. Now it shows us on our view cube what we're looking at here. So we're looking at this corner here. If we want to draw a 2D sketch of this shape here, we want to make sure we're drawing the right side of our object. And according to our work planes, then that's going to be our YZ plane. So let's select YZ. All right, so you can see now we're looking at the right-hand side of our object, which is right here. We're thinking now we're drawing a two-dimensional image of this. So if we go back to doing those multi-view drawings, we just want to think of drawing one of those multi-views of this shape right here. Okay. We're going to put this bottom corner drawn right on our origin. So that's where our two axis lines intersect. Let's go to line. And we're going to extend our line out. Now, some people work in Inventor where they will just do a sketch. They'll kind of draw this shape out, and then they'll go along and add sizes after, which you're welcome to do. Most people who have been working in AutoCAD are used to typing in line lengths. So we're going to do that for our first one here. So we're just going to extend out from our origin to the right, and we're drawing basically this line along the bottom here, which we can see has a length of 50. So we're just going to type in 50 and zoom out a little bit. Okay, we've got our horizontal line here that's 50. Now we're going to do a vertical line coming up here. Let's get that going up so we can see it's supposed to be 30. We're going straight vertical, 30 units. And now we can draw this line coming across here. We see from the dimension on the back here that that's a length of 20. Now we can draw this line coming down. So a total height is 30. It tells us that this little ledge here is 10, which leaves this one here to be 20. So we're going to go down 20 units. And our horizontal distance coming over, our total width of this object is 50. We've already gone 20, so there's 30 left. Let's go across that 30 units. And then we're left with 10 coming down. Okay, so we've created our sketch. Again, this can easily be adjusted by just clicking on the dimension and typing in a different size if need be, but this looks like it all matches our profile that we are looking at here. So when we're done that, we go to Finish Sketch. And now what it does is it shows us this profile again on our right side view. All we have to do now is go to Extrude, and the direction that we do this doesn't matter all that much, but if we want it to match the model as though we were drawing this front surface, we can grab the arrow and pull it to the other direction, or you can go into your little menu that pops up here and we can choose to flip it. Now when you drag it, you can try and get it precisely, but it's a little bit easier just to type in your distance. So we're doing a total, that's going to be our extrusion depth here, so that's going to be 80. So we'll type in 80, push enter. Okay. All right. So now it looks like we have replicated the object that we see right there. Okay. When we're all done, we can save this as our demo drawing, and then we can look at some other drawings together in the next video.